Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hi. Last time I posted a video on LinkedIn about me where I was letting you know about my YouTube channel and the dashboards I have built as samples for you all. So today I am going to explain how to use these dashboards as free of cost for your learning, for your help, and how you can actually start designing such dashboard by yourself. So in this short video, I'll be navigating through all these dashboards just for you. So I thought I was looking back to that video where I was having a few questions that how to use these dashboards, how to click here and where to navigate. But only I think people were clicking on one dashboard, but there are 12, 14 plus dashboards available in dashboard with different data sets. I'll be giving brief about these data sets, these dashboards. In coming videos, I'll be letting you know about details of these dashboards. I'll navigate all dashboards and let you know what is this dashboard all about, how this is developed, how this has been developed by using what data, from where I get this data, what tools I have used to develop these dashboards. So actually you can get an idea how you can get into this field and how you can start learning because this is future and you need to learn this. Okay, I am starting to share the screen. Let me share screen. Here you go. I'll be hiding this video panel so you don't see this. Hide video panel. Hiding floating. Hide names, floating meeting controls. So here you go. I'll be posting the link, this link to this video. You can click this link. When you'll be clicking this link, this page will open in front of you. When this page opens in front of you, you will get three tabs at top. One is Pakistan food prices 2004 to 2023. Second one is inflation rate of Pakistan from 1960 to 2022 because I was able to get the data only for these years, not 23, 24 yet. Then there is another tab that is with multiple dashboards. This has 10, 12 dashboards. You can go through, navigate, and check how to use these dashboards actually. Once you start using these dashboards, then you'll get familiar with this. And you can, sorry, and you can actually see how helpful these dashboards are for your all data decision making and how you can get a lot of decision insights from these dashboards. And you can actually build your own dashboard from whatever data sets you have. So this is first dashboard with food prices. I actually made a silent video last time, but here this dashboard has lot of things. I will explain only the main items. This is all intro about me. You can click here. You can click here. It will open the LinkedIn details about me. You can get to know about me what my profile is all about. So these are actually the filters you can use. These are years and quarters. Quarter and year wise, you can navigate through all items. These are categories. If this is a year slider, you can use this. Data will filter accordingly. This is a date filter. You can use this to see the food prices, the items they were available in the data, all in these dates and all these quarters, all or any year, all any category. So you can navigate through these dashboards. Let me go through. Even you can use these filters with check boxes. You can select one item like you can select only, okay, let me give you an example. You want to see the trend of milk in Pakistan from the data is available. This is from 2014 to 23. And this is per kg, per liter. Here it is, milk is liter means we call it kg. So see, it started from 80 to now 179. Estimated now in 2024, this is 200 something, depending. But this is very accurate data, and this is not a fake dummy data. This is published by government. So you can check exactly fuel prices 274. Like you can check eggs, can collectively check 3, 4 items. You can check, let's see what you want. I want to see what was price in 2000, take it 2023 only. This is 348. But what was price in the month of 23, in the month of February? You click here, you get this. This is an average price of the year. So for individual value, you will go down and you can see there as well. So actually, I have calculated this average price. So if you just use this for, and you use this from here, you select 2023. Here you select a commodity fuel price. Here you come. This is 274 for 2023. And if you want to see in March only, see this is 271. So in this way, you can use multiple filters to navigate through this data. And these are the items that were available with all the data sets I actually downloaded from somewhere. So you can navigate from this dashboard and you see how this actually gives you information. Similarly, this is for Pakistan inflation rates. Same is the case. I did my profile here. You go down. This is the slider for years. Like you can select a year. If I select 2022, if you want to see, I have added top most items here. In 2022, highest inflation. Okay, this is for all the years. When you see for all the years available in the data, 1974, the inflation was 26.66%. Lowest was in 1962. Now I want to see in the year, you can see the trends below. This is average inflation for all these years, 1960 to 2022. But this all depends on average. So here, there are two time series I have added here. One is um, uh, this is one side inflation rate, and second in billions GDP of in billions of US dollar. Like, and this is not in Pak rupees because the data is not in Pak rupees. So if you move anywhere here, this is inflation rate was 11.79 in 1991 and our GDP was 45.63 billion. So if we go to 2022, here you see our GDP is $376 billion and 19.87 was inflation in 2022. And right now you can see where we have gone from this. So here we went above. This is where inflation was. That came back. This is all trend moving onward. You can analyze the data and see, and you can search the internet what was the economic factors affecting these all. This is a year-on-year inflation in excluding this GDP. So you, even what you have the possibility, you can click anywhere. This is interactive dashboard. You can use this. So I clicked on this 2007. All the dashboard is now for 2007. See 2007. And now I leave on you. You go explore and see what the data is available in this dashboard and what actually you can interpret from this. This is one part of training, how to interpret the data and dashboard. So you get an idea what the charts are saying, what information the charts are giving, what the data is telling you, what to take out of it, what to decide, and how to use this data to get a change into your lives. You can understand this. So just go through these dashboards and you can ask me any questions relevant to these dashboards. Even if you want to learn this, you can ask me to get a training on it. Even you want to learn this, there is a YouTube channel of mine where I have uploaded a free of cost a lot of videos as well. So these two dashboards were the main focus on the, but if you click on multiple dashboards, there you will see a lot of dashboards on this side. This side. Like if I click on this, I click on one dashboard, let's suppose airlines challenge. Okay, I click on here. See, you will see a dashboard with a very different data set, with different filters available to you, with different analytics. Every dashboard has been developed after a lot of exercise, work, data modeling, data cleaning, data designing, data flow, lot of requirements, and you can see these all dashboards. So my video was only for to let you know, if you missed these dashboards, just navigate. Just try to learn, try to see what this data is saying. If you don't get anything, you can ask me questions and you can learn this. And this is most required skill in coming years. Thank you so much. My name is Mohammad Mudassar Tabassum. Okay, let me actually first stop sharing. Okay, I am ending this video. My name is Mohammad Mudassar Tabassum. You can connect with me, you can discuss with me, you can message me, you can ask me anything about data. If you want a training for yourself, for your corporate companies, anyone you want, you can. Even you want me to build some dashboards for your company, you can connect with me. This is all about data. Thank you so much. See you later, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.